Hi everyone. So me and say your name.
Hi, I'm Zombie.
We're going to open up this POPMART.
Hi, Mom.
And it is called Inosol.
Inosol.
So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and yeah. Are you excited? Is the sun too bright?
Pull this out.
I'm trying.
Yay!
Yay! Alright, we knocking? Alright, open it up. You just pull this. Oh! Hold on. Okay, so which one do you like on the box? Which one's your favorite?
This one.
So you hope to get that one? Okay, we'll see. Which one's my favorite? You think I like the one with the bell? Yeah, you're very, very right. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Alright. Let's see if I can. Okay, so pick a box. Which one?
This one.
That one? Okay. Alright, so what you gotta do, you gotta shake it. Show it to the camera. Like this.
Jingle bell! Open it.
Alright, so then the way you open it is you pull the little tab across. Yeah, pull that across. Pull. All the way. Just like that. Alright. Oh, that's okay. You can just open it up. Ooh. So let's not look at the card just yet. Which one do you think it is?
Jingle bell.
The jingle bell? The wind's whispers? Alright. Let's see what we got. Can you open it? Okay. Pull it all the way.
It's jingle bell.
It's not jingle bell. Let's see which one is that one. I think it's this one. It's lost.
Huh?
How cute. Okay, so
not.
I'm gonna be very gentle with it. Oh. Or maybe not. What the heck? Why does it have this on the neck? Alright. So grab it and then go like this to the camera. Get close. Like this, baby. And then show them. Ooh, how cute.
It's
So
really
this one, you can turn the head, put little details in there. You just see.
Hey, what's in there? Grass?
Alright, we're gonna get to the next one. You're holding it.
Help, help.
Oh, come on.
I can do it.
You can do it. Okay.
Yeah!
You got it?
No.
Ew. Here, we'll just put that there. Okay. Need help? Oh, okay. Which one do you think that one is?
Open it.
Which one?
The kids one.
The end of the world? Okay. There you go. Whoa, that one's Sunset Hug.
Look.
Yeah, Sunset Hug. Let's show the camera. This is Sunset Hug.
Put it in.
How cute.
What is it?
Alright, can you put that one back in the box?
Yeah. real.
Oh, here, we want to put that in there.
Here's another one.
And then another one. Before we open this one, we're going to cut it off here, and we're going to leave this as different parts, I guess, that I will upload
What's that?
as we go. But yeah. Say
Is it
bye. Hope you enjoyed it.
See
Say see you next time.
you next time.